So instead today guys we got Kaiden and someone as if it's gaat over here and Minion and that is our band for today our band. Yes, our band and yes my band. Look me.
Stop. Mama, do a lot and you must stop.
No. No.
Take my sticks out of my ankle. Oh my god! Bro, because you're capping on my junk drum. Guys, we got this drum made out of a pocket. And we got your famous boy. Here you go.
Mason man.
Stop it, bro. Little manian. Yay! Hey! Bible.
Look at the English kind of enemies, guys. I'll show you enemies.
Zij. Naast heb ik de scissors.
Like I was the one, Diego was the one to suggest that we make a band, and I was the one that invited us to. But them two are
Ja.
enemies.
I made a pen. Zij, want die gaat het niet zijn.
Hey bro, you can't do that on camera. You can do that off camera. Yeah. Can we cup a beer, guys?
Hoe lucky my brother.
Come cup, Diego, come here. You cup a famous beer.
How do you do it now? What do you do now?
Yeah, I must go now. Okay, my sister.
Wat is mine?
Now you know. I'm gonna take my drum.
Shut up!
Yes, now
Guys, them two are gonna go, so me and Diego's gonna cut now. But now who's gonna hold the camera?
Let's do it now. No. Can you sit here?
Oh, just put my extra drum. I need to get grip tape for this. Maybe I like this song. Maybe I like this song. Guys, we live in a down houses right now. So if you cough too loud, you're gonna get a noise complaint.
Wait, again.
Wait, okay, wait, come and just make up plans. We come. Yes, like this.
Wait, can you stop?
No?
Wait,
And then
wait.
I go.
Wait, Misa.
It's 3 times in it.
Okay, now wait.
Now come.
3, 2, 1, go. waste our time now, no. Over tractor. See. Yo, si Lucky.
Kids.
Aqui onde? See. Bum, bum. Now, Mash, you open it out now. Now wait.
If we're the cameraman, yeah, tomorrow maybe. Yeah. That's our second day of practice. Tomorrow we're gonna go in the road.
Wait now. If Luke could not stay now, no, you're
But you can't stay tomorrow. You can't stay tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday. But tomorrow, no, you must wait for me now because I have something after school.
What?
I'm coming back 4 o'clock.
Out practice.
Yeah. I have a gig.
Saturday now. Must we in the video? Should we?
Yeah, bye.
Bye guys. And so peace.